Hello.
Thought for the day is I don't care who is doing better than me. I am doing better than I was last year. It's me versus me. Hello everyone, this is Jaya.Shukla from Ask Jaya YouTube channel. Firstly, welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great in your tech journey. So today I am coming with a very interesting video, that is lesson number 5, slicing of string. But before that, I have started this video with this quote. So the session would be in Hindi and English, 2 languages. So there is no worry about the communication barrier between one-to-one communication. So let me start with this quote. Like, I don't care who is doing better than me, I am doing better than I was last year. It's me versus me. Means आप लोगों को किसी से कंपैरिजन करने की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट या कोई नीड नहीं है. आप खुद में अपने आप में एक अपने खुद के यूनिक वर्जन है. सो देयर इज़ नो नीड टू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ विद एनी वन एल्स. सो it was like if you are comparing with you and from the previous one, it means it is good for you. Like जो आप कल थे, अगर आप वो आज नहीं हैं अच्छे पर्सपेक्टिव को लेके, it means there is a good point in you. So there is no need to compare yourself with anyone else. Like he is good in maths, I am not good in maths, so I am a little bit dumb or weak. There is no need, because if you are dumb in math, there is something there, like you would be good in something new thing and he would not there. Okay, are you getting my point, what I'm trying to say? It means like अगर कोई भी इंसान किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में अच्छा है एंड अगर आप उसमें अच्छे नहीं हैं, इट डजंट मीन कि आप किसी चीज़ में भी अच्छे नहीं हैं. इफ़ आप अगर आपको गॉड ने भेजा है इस अर्थ पर, इस प्लैनेट पर, इट मीन्स समथिंग गुड इन यू एंड देर इज़ नो नीड टू कंपेयर योर वर्जन विद एनी वन एल्स. दिस इज़ द सिंपल मीनिंग विच आई हैव delivered today. So let's start with the video, that is let's start with the lesson number 5, that is slicing of string. So let me maximize this screen first. So today we are having our lesson number 5, slicing of string. So let me start with this. Slicing of strings. तो जब हम इसको प्रैक्टिकली देखते हैं, स्लाइसिंग, व्हाट डज मीन स्लाइसिंग? स्लाइसिंग मीन्स लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग अ नाइफ. अगर हमने कोई भी नाइफ लिया है एंड वी आर cutting the pieces of paneer or anything else, or we are chopping the vegetables. So what comes in our brain, like we are cutting the pieces, it means the slicing. So this is the only thing which comes in my mind, and it is the same as like slicing of strings works. Means slicing of strings means strings का cutting करना pieces में. Like for example we are string, what is basically string means? अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि strings होती क्या है. स्लाइसिंग तो हमने समझ लिया कि स्लाइसिंग मीन्स पीसेस को कट करना. ओके, एंड स्ट्रिंग्स मीन्स क्या होता है? कलेक्शन ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स. कलेक्शन ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स मीन्स like slicing, it is the collection of characters. So slicing is a string. It is just happens. Okay, so now what does it mean? Basically slice means a piece, and जब भी हम string को या फिर किसी भी कलेक्शन ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स को एक एक करके या एक एक पीस में किसी भी चीज़ में हमें प्रिंट करवाना है, सो वी आर यूजिंग स्लाइसिंग ऑफ स्ट्रिंग देयर. ओके, इट इज़ एज सिंपल एज एनीथिंग. सो हेयर इज़ द square bracket operator is called the slice operator. अगर आपसे कोई भी पूछता है कि स्लाइसिंग ऑफ स्ट्रिंग में कौन सा ऑपरेटर होता है जिसको हम स्लाइस ऑपरेटर बोलते हैं, तो आपका आंसर होगा स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स, ओके, विच कैन बी यूज टू रिट्रीव पार्ट्स ऑफ स्ट्रिंग। जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि एक एक पार्ट को, एक एक पीस को रिट्रीव करने के लिए हम स्लाइसिंग ऑफ स्ट्रिंग यूज करते हैं। इन पाइथन स्ट्रिंग्स फॉलोज जीरो बेस्ड इंडेक्स, मीन्स जब भी हम पाइथन में स्लाइसिंग ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स करते हैं तो जो हमेशा इंडेक्स जो स्टार्ट होता है वो जीरो इंडेक्स से स्टार्ट होता है, फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट टू राइट। आई विल डिस्क्राइब दिस इन द notepad, so don't worry about that. Index can be either positive or negative. Positive index means from left to right, okay, from left to right, and negative index from right to left. So it is as simple. So let me jump to the paint so that I can visualize all the indexes in the positive direction and the negative direction. So for example, consider this is your left hand, or sorry, this is your right hand, and this is your left hand. So this is as simple as anything, and let me create a box. Yeah, so from there the index would be from left to right, the index would be positive, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for positive direction. This is for left to right. To right, positive index. Hope I am clear with this. And coming to the next, this is for example, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So this is the index which ends with the 1, okay. From that it is right to left. Right to left, negative direction. So let me have this. Left to right means positive direction. Okay, so let me take a string. Sorry, I have to take a box. Yeah. Okay, so this is a rectangular box named as one, 3, and this is okay. Now let me put this ask. So this is the string which we have taken. So what would be the index? Let me take this once again. The index would be from left to right, it is 0, 1 2 3 4 5 and here is 6. So this is the index which is in the positive direction. Now coming to the next, that is we have started from this. So from that we have -7, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. So this is end with the -1 and in the negative direction. So let me start with this Jupyter notebook for better understanding. Okay, so I have taken as tr equals to ask Jaya and I want to print the capital A. Okay, so tr square bracket 0. Let me run this. It will print capital A because 0 is the position which I have specified in the this. 0 is on capital A, so it will print the capital A of Ask Jaya. So let me open the Jupyter notebook again. str1, enter. It will print s, small s, because it is on the first index, one index. Now str -1. Okay, now it will print A. How can be this possible? So -A, -1 is at that A position. You can see here. Now okay, so now str, let me take 50 range. Okay, अब क्या होगा, str में मैंने 50 नंबर डाल दिया तो 50 तो इसमें कैरेक्टर्स ही नहीं है, तो इट विल थ्रो एन एरर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्ट्रिंग इंडेक्स आउट ऑफ रेंज, बिकॉज 50 इसमें कैरेक्टर्स ही नहीं है जो कि आउट ऑफ रेंज चला गया है. सो हेयर इज str. नाउ आई हैव टेकन 1:40. So what will happen there? So it will print after 0. So 1 would be there. Okay, sk Jaya. Now str1:. Now what would this happen? It will also same as work as this one, 9th one. Now shift enter, sk Jaya, because 40 is the out of range, which doesn't have worry about that. Okay, so 1 से लेकर पूरा ये कवर करेगा. Now str:4. Now ये क्या करेगा, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 3. जैसे कि यहाँ पे कोलन के बाद 4 लिखा है तो ये 4 से एक डिजिट कम लेगा, मीन्स 3 तक लेगा. नाउ शिफ्ट एंटर, इट विल प्रिंटेड आस्क J. Okay, as simple as anything. Now str, let me take another. Okay, s:. So s:, means it will print all the characters of the string. Sorry, slices index. Okay, it will throw an error because s's would be there. Okay, str into 3. Now what would happen? It will print ask Jaya into 3 times. Now len, it will define the length of the string str. Now print, it will show 7 characters. So let me open this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 characters are there. So this is all about today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.